What's up, guys? Donnie here, and I just wanted to show you how this comes in the box. You guys got to see the bashing video, and that thing is super fun, guys. I tell you, I had a blast. Let me just show you how it comes in the box real quick here. To do an unboxing at least, so you can see how it comes. This is how the car comes in here, guys. So you got the charger. It can charge 2 and 3S, and then I got the car, of course, and in here is the controller, the manual, and this comes with where you're gonna have to drill a hole through the canopy to extend the antenna so you can get more range. Right now I just got it up underneath here since I was just short ranging it. It has a loop right here too, so you can get rid of the on and off switch. So all you'd have to do is just plug it in and it's ready to go, but I'm not going to do that. Anyways, guys, let me show you real quick inside. Man, this thing was fun. I tell you, this thing was a blast. But here's the inside of it. So you got your 1500 milliamp battery. It's 7.4 volt, so it is a 2S battery, and it's brushless, guys. So pretty small looking little brushless motor, but man, it sure does its job. So I had a blast, guys. So anyways, good manual, you know, well detailed like usual, you know, nothing big there. And then of course you got the controller, comes wrapped just like this, and it's the older style, so you know it works pretty good. It only has well, this one actually has you can adjust the how fast you want it to go, so you got a throttle trim as well. So you got steering and throttle trim here, so you can reverse the switches. Mine, I had to put it in normal for the steering, actually for the throttle. For the steering I had to go to reverse, so for the steer the right way. So I don't know what that was about, but that's what I had to do. But other than that, you just got your I don't know what this switch is, to be honest with you. I didn't look in there, it's my bad on that, but you have your on and off switch right here. So, you know, other than that, you know, this thing was super fun, guys. I had a blast. I thank you, GearBest.com, for sending this. I had one before. They sent me one, and it came already broken up. I think UPS or something. I mean, the box was damaged. The front was blown out up here, where the dog bone goes inside the housing right here. This outport or whatever you want to call that. Was all blown out. The shock was cracked, leaking everywhere. Like I said, the box was beat up. I think UPS gave it a good beating, so I think that's what was wrong with that, either that or from manufacturing. But this one I got here, awesome. I didn't have any problems with it. Super fun, guys. So got to get one. I'll leave the link in the description. So all right, guys, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy driving.